English Woodwork Class, Lesson 2. What do we do with the tack? We press the tack onto the wooden block. How do we use the sticky tape? We put the wooden blocks onto the sticky tape. We also use a chopstick and a straw to build our car. We insert the chopstick inside the straw. The end.